Hello, here is the Minuet in G major by Telemann for Trinity Piano Exam Grade 1 2018 until 2020. This video is a second stage with metronome. You can listen to the whole of the piece first if you like. Just click the link which is below in description. I would recommend that if you have never heard it. You should practice with the tutorial video stage 1 first. Please click the link below in description. Try to memorize it, play it as many times as you need, and remember to check it up tomorrow again. Let's start. Prepare your hands. Prepare your hands. Question time. If you find a moderato sign in your music, do you know what it means? It is a very important sign, so check the answer below in description or comment section. Write me a comment whether you already knew it. And now say it out loud. What does moderato mean? I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumb up and subscribe so you don't miss anything in future. I would love to have your support, so have a look just below the video, click the description button, and there you can see all the other suggestions and features. Thank you and see you next time.